Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by using your school account and confirming you have the right permissions. This prevents surprises later. Open Teams, go to Teams, then Join or Create, and choose Create Team. Pick the class template because it gives assignments and grade tools ready. Name the class clearly, add a short description so students recognize it, and set privacy to private if you'll control enrollment. Once done, add co-teachers immediately so responsibilities are shared and notification routing is correct. Now build the class structure so students find materials quickly. Create channels for key areas, announcements for updates, lectures for recorded lessons, assignments for submissions, because organization reduces questions. Upload the syllabus and core files into files, and set up the class notebook with sections for each unit to support note-taking and collaboration. Make sure you configure channel permissions. Control who can post and whether students can edit files. This prevents accidental changes and keeps the class orderly. Host your first live session by scheduling a meeting in the class calendar. Enable recording and attendance reports so you can review engagement later. Create assignments inside the Assignments tab, attach resources, add rubrics, and set clear due dates to streamline grading. Use the built-in grades and insights to monitor progress, then export CSV for your gradebook backup. If something breaks, check permissions and Teams cache. Clearing the app cache or reloading the web client often resolves sync and display issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.